Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to enable or disable location services on Windows 11. For this, first click on this one Start button, then click this one Settings. In the Settings window, in the left sidebar, click on this one Privacy and Security option. On the right, scroll down to this one App Permissions section and click on this one Location. In case you want to disable location services for all the apps, just turn off this one toggle switch. And in case you want to enable location services, just enable this one toggle switch. If you want to disable location services for a specific app such as camera, you can use this one toggle switch here. You can enable or disable. Similarly, scroll down and find the apps that needs location services, and here you can on or off according to your needs. And in case you want to clear this one location history, you can use this one button against location history. Just click on this one clear button. This will clear location history on your Windows 11 PC.